I know you've invested a lot in Facebook. You poured your hard-earned money, time, creativity, and hopes into Facebook ads. And you want to make sure you're getting the best return on your investment. After all, you're relying on them to grow your business. So it's scary when things don't go the way you thought it would. You see the money going out, but you don't see the leads and clients flowing back in the way you hope for. Is there a hole? Several. Can they be patched up? The answer is yes. You may still be managing your own ads or have a VA doing them. And even though you're doing okay, neither one of you are true experts in this area. You can't help but wonder if you could be squeezing even more out of this puppy. The thing is, to have successful, profitable ads, you need way more than someone who's a good technician that just clicks the boxes and sets up your ads. You need someone who understands how to actually turn those clicks into clients. Someone who can analyze your whole funnel and pinpoint problem areas. You might be wondering, how much revenue are my Facebook ads regularly leaving on the table? Hundreds, thousands, tens of thousands of dollars? You'll never know how unless you get this fixed. Now, here's the good news. Soon, matter of fact, very soon, we'll be hosting a live masterclass on the new science of getting leads, customers, and clients using Facebook ads. If you want to attract customers and clients on autopilot, this is for you. If you want to make your current ads 2, 3, 4 times more profitable with a few simple tweaks, this is for you. And if you want to stop burning money on outdated strategies that just don't work and instead adapt to the new model, running highly profitable Facebook ads campaigns, then this is definitely for you. Click the link above to register for your free masterclass, or head over to clientology.co/masterclass. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Plus, there's only 150 seats available. Stop leaving money on the table. You deserve better.